Commissioning on buildings. Topics to be covered. Welcome to our discussion on commissioning in buildings. Today, we will cover the purpose and benefits of commissioning, particularly its relationship with energy efficiency. We'll define various commissioning types, including new construction, retro commissioning, continuous commissioning, monitoring-based commissioning, and recommissioning. We will also identify key success factors for effective commissioning and explore the role of energy monitoring systems in supporting continuous commissioning. Let's delve into these topics in detail. Building commissioning process. Pre-design, planning and conceptualization of the project. Design, detailed design and development of the building plans. Permit, obtaining necessary permits and approvals for construction. Procurement, selecting and contracting with vendors and suppliers. Construction, building the project according to the plans and specifications. Occupancy, the building is ready for use. 8 stages of commissioning process. Stage 1, preparation. This is the planning stage where the project scope, budget, and timeline are defined. Stage 2, design. The design team creates detailed plans and specifications for the project. Stage 3, pre-construction. This stage involves selecting contractors, obtaining permits, and finalizing the construction budget. Stage 4, construction. This is the stage where the physical construction of the project takes place. Stage 5, commissioning of engineering services. This involves testing and verifying that all engineering systems are working correctly. Stage 6, pre-handover. This stage includes final inspections, training for building staff, and preparing the building for occupancy. Stage 7, initial occupation. This is when the building is officially occupied by its users. Stage 8, post-occupancy aftercare. This ongoing process ensures that the building continues to operate efficiently and safely. Commissioning. Commissioning is a comprehensive quality assurance process that verifies a building's systems operate according to their design specifications. This process ensures energy efficiency, occupant comfort, and system reliability throughout the building's life cycle. Commissioning can take place during construction, renovation, or even routine operational checks. By addressing issues early, commissioning helps save on long-term operational costs and is essential for sustainable building management. Design flaws. Design flaws can severely impact a building's efficiency, leading to higher energy costs and system failures. The commissioning process plays a critical role in identifying and correcting these issues before they affect overall building performance. By addressing design flaws early on, we ensure that the systems operate optimally, leading to energy savings and preventing costly retrofits and maintenance in the future. Construction defects. Construction defects can compromise a building's durability, safety, and energy efficiency. Through commissioning, we can detect and rectify these defects, which might otherwise undermine the building's systems. Early correction of these issues enhances building longevity and operational efficiency, reduces maintenance costs, and ultimately improves occupant satisfaction. Quality control during commissioning is vital for upholding building standards. Malfunctioning equipment. Malfunctioning equipment can disrupt building operations and lead to increased energy consumption. The commissioning process includes rigorous testing of equipment to ensure it functions as intended, identifying any faulty equipment that may need repair or adjustment. Addressing these issues promptly minimizes downtime and reduces maintenance costs, while regular commissioning helps maintain reliable equipment performance. Green building. Green building initiatives aim to minimize environmental impacts through sustainable design and efficient resource use. Commissioning ensures that green building systems are correctly installed and optimized for maximum performance. This process not only supports energy savings but also enhances indoor air quality and occupant comfort. Effective commissioning is essential for achieving green certification standards and amplifying a building's eco-friendly benefits. Smart controls. Smart controls automate building systems to optimize energy savings and enhance occupant comfort. The commissioning process is crucial for ensuring these controls are set up correctly to respond effectively to environmental changes. Proper commissioning optimizes settings for HVAC, lighting, and other systems, maximizing efficiency and reducing operational costs. These smart controls enable buildings to dynamically adapt to occupant needs. Construction quality. High-quality construction is key to minimizing defects, reducing maintenance needs, and enhancing overall performance. The commissioning process verifies construction quality, ensuring that materials and systems meet the specified design standards. By reinforcing construction quality, we can achieve lower energy use and improve system longevity, thereby contributing to sustainable building operation. New buildings. Commissioning new buildings is vital to ensure that all systems are installed correctly and function as intended. This process verifies that new buildings meet design, safety, and energy efficiency standards. By preventing costly adjustments post-construction, commissioning enhances building performance from the outset, supporting sustainable and efficient operations. Early commissioning lays the groundwork for long-term success. Existing buildings, renovation. When commissioning existing buildings that have undergone renovations, we check that the updated systems perform efficiently and align with energy goals. This process, often termed recommissioning, improves overall system efficiency, prolongs equipment life, and enhances occupant comfort. Continuous commissioning is essential for retrofitted buildings aiming for sustainability. Recommissioning. Recommissioning involves periodically reassessing building systems after the initial commissioning to maintain optimal performance. This process ensures that systems continue to meet efficiency and safety standards as operational conditions evolve. By addressing performance drift due to wear or operational changes, regular recommissioning helps reduce energy costs and extends the life of equipment. Retro commissioning. Retro commissioning applies to older buildings that have not undergone any previous commissioning. This process identifies and resolves operational inefficiencies, significantly enhancing performance without the need for major renovations. Retro commissioning serves as a cost-effective strategy for modernizing building performance, making it particularly valuable for older buildings seeking energy improvements. Continuous commissioning. Continuous commissioning involves the ongoing monitoring of building systems to ensure they perform consistently over time. This process includes regular data collection and timely adjustments aimed at maximizing efficiency. By promptly detecting and correcting performance issues, continuous commissioning supports sustainable building operations through proactive maintenance and optimization. Monitoring-based commissioning. Monitoring-based commissioning leverages sensors and data analytics to optimize building systems in real time. This approach identifies inefficiencies and operational issues, providing actionable insights for necessary adjustments. It is especially beneficial for complex, high-performance buildings, as it supports proactive maintenance and significantly reduces energy costs. Buildings benefit from commissioning. Overall, commissioning enhances building performance, boosts energy efficiency, and improves occupant satisfaction. It minimizes maintenance needs and operational disruptions while yielding benefits such as lower energy costs and improved indoor air quality. For high-tech or energy-intensive buildings, commissioning is essential to ensure they operate as designed and meet the needs of users effectively. High-tech energy-intensive buildings. High-tech, energy-intensive buildings, such as data centers, require precise control to operate efficiently. Commissioning ensures these complex systems are optimized to avoid costly downtime and unnecessary energy waste. This process is critical for facilities with high power demands, as it enhances reliability while reducing operational costs, supporting sustainability initiatives for energy-intensive buildings. Shipbuildings. In the realm of shipbuilding, commissioning ensures that onboard systems, including power, HVAC, and safety systems, are operational before the vessel enters service. This process verifies that all systems meet safety, efficiency, and performance standards, addressing potential issues proactively. Effective commissioning in shipbuilding enhances safety and operational efficiency for complex marine equipment. Leadership, monitoring, success factors of commissioning. Successful commissioning relies heavily on effective leadership, continuous monitoring, and clearly defined success factors. Strong leadership drives the commissioning process forward, while ongoing monitoring ensures that systems remain efficient over time. Key success factors include heightened awareness, thorough documentation, and active involvement from all team members. These elements work collectively to enhance commissioning outcomes, leading to high-quality building performance. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please contact TSD Office Engineering, GHG. We appreciate your interest in ESG initiatives.